Okay, lads, this is the DIY sign for isometric that I've given you this evening. Again, you need your 30-degree set square, and we'll work with that. So start low down on the sheet, up maybe up 8 millimeters, and set it off 30 degrees left and 30 degrees right, and of course our vertical line as well, and box in the dimensions. So there you have it. All those lines are 30 degrees left, 30 degrees right. So as you can see, it's 240 degrees left, 20 right, and 110 up, and that's your box. That should be light. Okay, so let's just keep it going there. So we get the next thing that we'll do. So we'll measure up 55 and 55, 10 and 10, work back, and work our drawing like this. So that's back 60, and as you can see, we draw those lines to the 55, bring it back, and that is our sign. That's our sign there, and we want to put in the writing now, DIY. Okay, that's in a grid. Now we did that today, so we should be able to actually be familiar with that. Down 20, up 20, and draw in that. Now each of those squares are 10 mil, and they are green on this, so they should be light on yours. So I'll just continue down for the 10 there. You can heavy that in and begin to draw the D like that, then the I, then the Y. Now of course they are also in 3 dimensions, so you need to go back 10 mils here on that. So back 10 mils on that line and just bring them back like that. And you can just heavy it in, and voila. Okay, so that's it, and we can put a little bit of color on it to give it a little bit of depth, and that, lads, is the DIY sign for homework on the 19th of November. Okay, see you next week.